All right, 7:36 is the time, and if you haven't heard by now, it is Hurricane Preparedness Week. Hanging out with Dani right now because Fox 4 is in your corner. We're trying to make sure you are ready for hurricane season.
23 days. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Ugh. We took your questions during a Facebook Live right after the show yesterday, and there were a couple that kept popping up. One of those was this question that Thomas asked: how many predicted storms this season, or did I miss it? We went over this a few times on
Yes.
Facebook Live. I know this is what everyone wants to know. So CSU has a tropical meteorology project, and every year they release their preliminary forecast that was released early April, and this is what they're looking at. They do predict an above average season, so 14 named storms, average is 12, 7 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes. This is all based on, they look at a few things. They look at the ENSO neutral conditions, which is what they're expecting as we head into hurricane season. All has to do with the water temperature in the Pacific. It impacts the wind shear over the Atlantic side. Last year we had a weak La Nina, which reduced wind shear over the Atlantic side, which aids tropical development, essentially. We're also looking at near record sea surface temperatures really across the globe, and warm water fuels hurricanes. So these are all the things that are going into that prediction. If a weak El Nino starts to develop, that's actually going to increase wind shear over the Atlantic side, and that would reduce our outlook, our hurricane outlook. So CSU will release another outlook on May 31st, the day before hurricane season. If we do start to see that El Nino develop or water temperatures are running cooler, we'll see an adjustment to the prediction. But remember, no matter what the forecast says, it only takes one storm. We could have the quietest season with only one hurricane, but if that hurricane impacted Southwest Florida, it would be a busy one for us. So the message we want to send is make sure that you're preparing before hurricane season starts, so that we're in the clear come June 1st.